Hello Tinthies, welcome to the MCQ series of Science Chapter 1, the chemical reaction and equation. We'll ask all these 25 questions and give the correct answers of it. So you are first advised to watch the video till last and comment that how much correct answer you have given, and you can also join the Telegram channel to get the PDF of this chapter. So let's start. And the first question is the ratio in which hydrogen and oxygen are present in water by volume. Here the question is asking the ratio of hydrogen and oxygen present in water. Here this answer is simple. We know the formula of water is H2O, and here clearly it is seen that there are two H molecule and one oxygen molecule. So the answer will be option C, 2:1. Now the next question, which of the following are exothermic process? Here the first option is dilution of acid, and the second option is reaction of calcium oxide with water. Third option is melting of ice, and fourth option is evaporation of water. You have to guess the answer which is correct, and here clearly you can see that option 1 and 2 are correct, because on dilution of acid heat is released, and similarly the reaction of calcium oxide with water heat is also released. So option A will be correct. Now let us come to question number 3. What is the chemical formula of quicklime? It is very easy, and the answer is CaO. Now next question. Which law is kept in mind while we balance a chemical equation? This is also a very easy question, and the answer is law of conservation of mass, and B is correct. Now the fifth question. Which substance is oxidized in the following reaction? And this reaction is given. Here you can see clearly that carbon is oxidized into carbon monoxide. So option B will be correct, and answer is C, carbon. And the question number 6 is, which observation is incorrect to determine whether a chemical reaction has taken place? And this is a simple question, and it is given in the NCERT. And here let us see the option evolution of gas. It is correct that it determines that chemical reaction has taken place. Now second option is also true, change in color. Third option is also true, formation of PPT. All these three options determines the chemical reaction has taken place. So the option will be none of the above, because all three options are correct, and it is asking that which is incorrect, and so answer is option D. Now question number 7. Which option is not an example of combination reaction? Let us see the option. C plus O2 gives CO2. Here clearly it is seen that combination reaction is taking place, as the reactant are two and product is a single product. And the second option is 2H2 plus O2. Here there are two reactant and a single product, so it is also a combination reaction. And option C, here CaCO3 is breaking down into CaO and CO2. This is not a example of combination reaction, it is a example of decomposition reaction. Now let us come to option D, CaO plus CH2O. Two reactant are giving single product. Here the question is asking which is not an example of combination. So option C is correct, because option C is showing decomposition reaction. Now let us come to question number 8. Hydrogen sulfide gas burns in air to give. Here it is asking the product of H2S plus O2. So the answer will be SO2 plus H2O. Now question number 9. 2AgBr in the presence of sunlight gives 2Ag plus Br2 is an example of. Since here sunlight is used, so the answer will be photoelectric decomposition. Now let us come to question number 10, and the question is, which method is used to prevent rancidity? And the option are oiling and greasing, painting, galvanization, and packing. Here option A, B and C are the example to prevent rusting. So option D is correct, packing. packing of food help us to prevent rancidity. Now, question number 11. What is the valency of oxygen? It is very easy. Option B is correct. That is 2. Now, question number 12 is, in a chemical reaction between sulfuric acid and barium chloride solution, the white PPT formed are of. Guess the answer. What is this? And the answer is B. Barium sulfate. Now, the next question. Question number 13. Respiration is a kind of. Since heat is released during respiration, so it is a exothermic process. Option C is correct. Now, question number 14. When ferrous sulfate FeSO4 is heated strongly, it decomposes to ferric oxide Fe2O3 as a main product and color changes from. So what is the change in color from FeSO4 to Fe2O3? So we know the color of FeSO4 is green and color of Fe2O3 is brown. So option C is correct. Green to brown. Now question number 15. The neutralization reaction between an acid and a base is a type of, and it is a double displacement reaction. Option C is correct. Now question number 16. Why photosynthesis is considered as an endothermic reaction? And answer is endothermic reaction where heat is absorbed. So option B is correct. Heat is absorbed. Now question number 17. Which changes take place when oily food gets oxidized? When oily food gets oxidized, then the food becomes rancid, and due to rancidity, the taste and smell of the food changes. So option A and B are correct, and since option C is giving both A and B are correct, so option C is correct. Now let us come to question number 18. Identify the color of silver when it gets tarnished in air. And it is asking the color of silver when it gets tarnished, and the answer is A. Black. Now let us come to question number 19. Corrosion of iron is called, and option are rusting, rancidity, galvanization, calcination, and the answer is option A. Rusting. Let us come to question number 20. The color of copper sulfate solution is, it is very easy. Option A is correct, blue. Now let us come to question number 21. Oxidation is a process which involves addition of oxygen, addition of hydrogen, removal of oxygen, removal of hydrogen. And here option A is correct, addition of oxygen. Now question number 22 is, identify the substance which gets oxidized. Here MnO2 plus 4HCl gives MnCl2 plus 2H2O plus Cl2. Here options are MnCl2, HCl, H2O, MnO2. Here clearly it is visible that HCl is oxidized to Cl2. Now let us come to question number 23. When Ag is exposed to air, it gets black coating of, and the answer is Ag2S. When silver reacts with sulfide in the air, it forms Ag2S. Now let us come to question number 24. A substance added to food containing fats and oil is called, it is antioxidant. Option D is correct. Now let us come to question number 25, and it is the last question. Select the oxidizing agent. Here H2S plus I2 gives 2Hi plus S, and here the oxidizing agent is option A is correct, I2. Thanks for watching the video, and leave a comment how much correct answer you have given, and you can get the PDF of this video in the Telegram link given in the description box. and do not forget to like, share and subscribe the channel.